In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Activepieces locally with Docker Compose. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can get the platform running on your machine as quickly as possible. The process is very short, but I'll walk you through it clearly so you understand what's happening at each stage and avoid common confusion along the way. First, open Google Chrome and go to the official Activepieces GitHub repository page. This is the best place to get the most current setup instructions, since GitHub README files are usually maintained alongside the project itself. Once the repository page loads, look through the README documentation until you find the Docker Compose installation section. You want to locate the code block snippet specifically meant for Docker Compose setup. When you find that code block, copy it exactly as shown. This snippet contains the configuration needed to define and launch the services required for the local platform build. Be careful to copy the full block without missing any lines, since even a small omission can prevent the setup from working correctly. If the repository includes more than one installation option, make sure you are copying the Docker Compose version and not a different deployment method. Next, open your system's terminal application. On Windows, this could be Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Windows Terminal. On macOS or Linux, you can use the standard terminal app. Once your terminal is open, paste or prepare the Docker Compose setup according to the documentation you copied from GitHub so your environment matches the repository instructions before launching anything. After that, run the command docker compose up d. This command tells Docker Compose to pull the required images if they are not already available, and then start the containers in detached mode, which means they will run in the background without occupying your terminal window. This is a convenient way to start the local platform build instantly while still allowing you to continue using your terminal for other tasks. Once the command is executed, give Docker a moment to download and initialize everything. The first run may take a little longer, especially if the images need to be pulled from scratch. If your system is already configured with Docker and Docker Compose, the process should be straightforward. That's it. You've opened the official repository, copied the Docker Compose installation snippet, launched your terminal, and started the Activepieces local platform build with Docker Compose.